Okay, time for the actual games.
Yep.
Puppy on the Falco. I don't have a good enough understanding of what's going on, so I'm probably just going to end up calling both of them bad.
Basically. This is a very rare matchup, I'd say. You don't see very many people play like this.
Puppy's already got a solid percent. Never mind, that's almost a 0 to death.
That's Falco for you.
And it is a 0 to death.
Yep.
Puppy establishing dominance first stock of the set.
It makes sense since Mewtwo is such a big body, but low weight.
Yeah. Lot of hitbox to get there. A lot of room for Puppy to play with.
Oh yeah. And he's still going.
PTP has been playing pretty good this tonight. Probably a chance that he's met his match with Puppy, but looking for just a couple stocks. A little interesting game here.
That would be interesting.
Alright, Strix and Namki on the desk setup in garage. Strix and Namki.
Oh man, that was a good reflect. Alright, Puppy with a 2-stock lead here.
Ooh,
Never
PTP
mind.
gets his stock back with an up smash. Yo, is that Falco from League of Legends?
What?
Ooh.
What the? Oh, unfortunate SD.
Puppy takes game 1, just going sicko mode on PTP here. Alright, there goes game 1. Ooh, we're gonna see some Smattlefield. Personally, I'm a fan of Battlefield, small Battlefield, but you know, regular Smattlefield works. Running it back, Falco into Mewtwo.
PTP choosing to continue the Mewtwo.
Puppy gets another 0 to death here. I'm gonna go on a walk. Alright.
Commentator's curse.
This is some interesting neutral gameplay.
It is. Both players are playing very aggressive. Basically no time for neutral at all.
Aggressively just weaving in and out of each other's attempts to get into advantage. PTP takes it here, gets some percent in, gets Falco off ledge.
Off to way better of a start this game.
Looks like PTP is adapting a bit to Puppy's approaches and options. They just reflect at each other. That's a ledge interaction.
I want to see a Falco Mewtwo like reflect battle. Just reflect the Shadow Ball like 7 times.
We saw that with PTP and Shoal earlier.
Oh really?
Yeah, it
Damn,
ended
I
in
missed it.
PTP's demise.
That better. That would.
Some projectile trading.
Yes.
Stocks and percent are looking pretty even. PTP's definitely adapting here.
See, bringing it from last game.
Oof. Alright, PTP shutting down some Falco gameplay,
Nice
then
try.
getting picked off of ledge.
All out.
Puppy gets another stock. close. Close to much. Oh, you see the puppy SD.
Another unfortunate SD. This set. Oh, what a
Ooh.
reflect.
Spot dodge, jab.
Player's quite close. PTP has a little bit of percent to
Mini
make up.
stocks.
Oh, that would have been an amazing
Oh
call.
man. PTP got a little greedy with that down smash. Might pay the price here.
He's on ledge. Ooh.
Oh.
Nope. Does get hit with the final.
What does that sound for, Milo?
This dude charging the neutral B.
Ooh, and the up smash takes it.
Alright, puppy takes game 2 and moves on to whatever's next. I don't know if this was winner's semi or
I think, maybe? I don't know.
was that winner's semi or quarter? Oh, losers.
Oh, that was losers. Alright. Why is
Heard it
there
here first,
not a
folks. That was
winners
dog
on the
water
stream?
finals.